Welcome to our factory. Today, we'll show you the full process of how an AK-47 is made, from raw steel to a complete rifle. Our production lines ensure unmatched precision and reliability for our forces worldwide. This facility is the heart of our operations.
According to the bill of lading.
And the stencil clearly indicates AK-47 production. We're good to go.
The AK-47 components. My counts confirm it.
Excellent. We need to maintain this pace through Q4.
Match into the forging zone now.
Good, we are behind schedule.
The induction heater brings it up to temperature just before it hits the press.
Yeah.
That's why you're seeing the steam increase now.
Makes sense.
The tolerances are completely off on the trigger housing again.
I see it. We need to stop the line immediately.
Watch the pressure gauge. It's holding steady.
Confirms they are still running hot.
Agreed. We need to monitor the cooling sequence closely. Look at this surface finish. It's rough.
Yeah, right here. It's completely out of spec. We need to reject this batch. It's new machine. These new machines represent a significant leap in our capabilities, allowing us to handle much larger volumes.
Confirms the output rate.
Looks consistent with the targets. We can sign off on this.
The transfer rate seems to be holding steady at 90 units per minute.
Excellent. The calibration adjustments worked perfectly.
And that's how the AK-47 is made, the Shade, from raw steel to a legendary rifle.